Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can change the drive letter on your Windows 11 operating system. So let's get started. So to start with, I'm going to just open my folder explorer. So just click on this folder explorer icon and then click on this PC option. Now as you can see, I have two drives here, Windows drive C and the data drive D here, right? So I want to change the drive letter for this data drive 1 from D to something else, let's say E, okay? So how I can change the drive letter of this drive, let's see. So for that, you just need to right click on this PC option. So right click and then click on show more options. Here you need to click on manage. So just click on manage here, which is going to open this kind of window. So here under storage, click on disk management and it's going to open this window where you can see your drive and partitions, and from here you can change the drive letter. As I said, I want to change the drive letter of this data drive 1 from D to E, let's say. So I will just right click here and then I can see this option which says change drive letter and paths, and then I can just select the drive letter and then click on change, and then I can just select any other letter from this drop down menu. Let's say I want to change it to E drive. I can change it and then click on OK, and it says some program that relies on drive letter may not run correctly. Do you want to continue? I will say yes, and once you do that, you see this message which says the volume D simple volume is currently in use. If you continue, the new drive letter will be assigned, but you can still use the old drive letter to access the volume until you restart your computer, right? So in some cases you just need to restart your computer in order to just make this change effective, right? So I will say yes, and once I click on yes, you can see the drive letter is changed to E here. Here I also can see data drive is E now, and I can also see in my folder explorer that this letter is changed to E. So this is how you can change this drive letter. If you can't see this manage option under show more option when you right click on this PC, if you don't see this option, there are other ways of reaching to this point. So the first way is just click on the search icon here and then search for disk management here, okay? And when you see this result which says create and format hard disk partition, just click on it and you will reach to the same destination which you have seen. So right now the drive letter is E here, right? Now let me show you one more way of reaching to the same point. So if you don't see this result in the search, then what you can do, you can simply search for control panel, okay? So just search for control panel and open control panel from here, and then click on system and security option. When you select view by category, you will be able to see system and security. And then under Windows tool, you will see this option, create and format hard disk partitions. And it's also going to open the same window where you can change your drive letter. So let me quickly change it to drive letter D so we can see that it also works. So right now it's E. I can change it to D again and then click on OK, and the same warning will appear. Click yes and then click yes, and the drive letter will be changed once again to drive D here. Okay, so this is how you can change the drive letter on your Windows 11 operating system. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video.